Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a Django project in PyCharm Community Edition and how to set up Django project in PyCharm and make PyCharm Community Edition like Professional Edition for Django development. Let's get started by opening your PyCharm Community Edition IDE. Select project and create a new project. Enter your project name. Okay. Now select existing Python virtual environment or create a new virtual environment. For previously configured interpreter, select interpreter. Or create a new environment using virtual env, ppnv or conda, and select base interpreter. You can make it available for all projects. Select make available to all project. Okay, and now create a Python script. So select create a main.py welcome script. Click on create. This will take some time to preparing workspace. Okay, open a terminal or command prompt and activate virtual environment automatically. Now install Django using pip Python package installer. Install Django. Pip 3.9 install Django. And this command will install Django latest version in your virtual environment. You can install Django specific version with this command Django and version. Okay, hit enter. This will take some time to install Django in your Python virtual environment. I have already installed Django in my existing virtual environment. Okay, now go to your project directory. Delete this file and create a Django project using this command Django admin start project. Enter your project name, my site. Okay, now do the following. Delete this directory. Okay, Your Django project is ready. Now create a new Django application. Okay. PyCharm Community Edition does not include the Django manage.py utility feature, but it is possible to create run configuration for any Django admin command so that we can run Django project in the IDE instead of at the command line. Now click on run and then edit configuration. Okay. Now delete main and add new configuration. Select Python. Okay. Enter the name Django and enter the script path. You can browse this path, manage. Okay. And enter parameter value, run server. Okay. Select Python interpreter. Okay. Apply and then click on OK. Now you can run Django from PyCharm Community Edition ID. Just click on this run button. Okay. Now click on this URL. You can stop Django server. Okay. Now type Python code and enjoy autocomplete feature in PyCharm Community Edition. Okay. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.